Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make your Snapchat notification say notification. So it's not a ringing, it's just a notification say notification from Snapchat, something like this. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So before starting my actual video, this option is not available on the Snapchat by the default. To do this, first of all you have to open your Play Store mobile application and you have to download this application, voice notification. This is the third party application that allow you to make your Snapchat notification say notification. So download it on your phone, and once you will download and install it on your phone, open it, and here you have to click on the app notification. Once you will click on it, now from here you have to select the Snapchat application. Once you will select the Snapchat application, whenever you receive your message, it will say notification. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.